Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I have another oud from a private distiller, that is Jinkoh Store. Jinkoh Store, I think the name of the owner of this one is Marius Pana. I am excused if I'm pronouncing it not right. Marius, I normally call him Marius. So this is the oud I have, which is from Hong Kong 2018 and Emperor Gongyu. So this is from Jinkoh Store. Jinkoh Store have some great and amazing oud oils. Maybe some others, I haven't tried any of them, but this one is my favorite because of two reasons. There was an oil which was released by Imperial Oud called Fragrant Harbor and Fragrant Harbor Imperial. So that Fragrant Harbor Imperial, I have sniffed the sample of that one and it was really amazing. It was sweet, it was breezy, it was very, you can say, tantalizing kind of, vibrating, sweet, breezy. So really, it was something. So when I asked that, Fragrant Harbor was finished, so the stock was almost empty from Imperial Oud. So I was devastated that from where I can get the same smell or similar smell. So then I contacted Marius Pana. I have heard a lot of great things about this Emperor Guan Yu, and I tried to contact him and I got just 1 gram of this one. You can see over here. Let me show you the bottle. So this is the bottle. I have got almost 1 gram, which was really costly. I think around $300 to $500. I don't remember. I think it was $500. I don't really remember, but it was the brother of Imperial Oud Fragrant Harbor. So it is rounded, it is mellow, it has some similarities to Chinese oud oil and some similarities to Cambodian oud oil and some similarities to Koh Kong oud oil, or the oud oils that are Cambodian but they are breezy and airy kind of oud oils. So this is Emperor Gongyu from Jinkoh Store. This is breezy, this is rounded, this is like some fruit, maybe kind of light mango. If I describe it, it would be yellowish orange color kind of mango that is not very too sweet, not too pale. It is a very balanced kind of oud oil. So let me sniff it again. It is no less than a perfume. It has some floral touches to it, but it is very light and airy. It is not dense. It has no, I would say, powderiness to it. It is wet. It is light. It is airy. It is tantalizing. It is kind of breezy, kind of light fruity, that is not very sweet. So this is, I think, the description I would give to Gongyu. So I have tried few more oils. One was Assam. From this one, Assam was very clean. I was not able to believe that I am smelling an Assam or Indian Assam oud oil. But the problem with the Assam was that it was like it was staying on my skin like only 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, it was just disappearing. So I thought that this is the one I should get. I got the free samples along with this one for Assam and one more oil where I loved. The Assam one was very amazing, but the problem with that one was very short time. So it is going to stay like 30 minutes on my skin. So I think it should at least stay 1 to 2 hours on the skin. Otherwise, spending like $500 on an oud oil that is not going to stay like 15 or 30 minutes on your skin, it is a wastage of money. So this is my review about Jinkoh Store Emperor Gongyu. Yu. Hong Kong, distilled in 2018. I think it has been finished, but you can contact Marius Pana. I'm going to give the link in the description, or maybe over here somewhere. I'm going to give the link of description of his Facebook page, so you can contact Marius Pana and you can ask him for his new oud oils or whatever he's releasing in the market right now. So see you soon, and we will meet in another video with a lot of new reviews of oud oils and other perfumes. Till then, take care, bye bye, and make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I have seen a lot of people, they don't subscribe. So till then, take care, bye bye.